shopping. I got a whole pile of delicious things. I got the seafood for paella and snacks for today, but all sorts of delicious things. And I'm super hungry. We are getting closer to Maggie's house and the view is just absolutely amazing. This is the favorite part of all the journey. Yay! We almost arrived. The first doggy is meeting us. Oh, look, she has all the flowers in blue. Oh, and lavender. Look, just from your window you can smell the lavender. Oh, isn't it beautiful? And look, all the bees. Oh, this is like heaven. Hello, Mr. Oli. Hello, Oli. Shelly is coming to visit you. Oli. Out of the way. Out. I got my wonderful basket with all the tools I need for this, so I'll start my work now with this view. Here I have a little situation. Two beautiful chairs with 3 legs. Miss Expert Sherry, what do you think about the chairs? Nothing? She went away. Alright, I do think I'm gonna take off the old paint and see how the wood looks like, and also it will need a little repair of springs, and I hope I will be able to glue up the leg. The other chair has exactly the same situation, only 3 legs. Well, though the springs look really nice, they're not very damaged, so let's see what we can do. After a good sanding session, I'm having a little siesta and then I'll start my paella. This is my usual paella corner. Isn't it just absolutely amazing kitchen? While prawn heads are frying, I have time for a glass of cider and a little strawberry. The stock is ready and I will remove the prawn heads and we'll start with rice.
Unless you're married, well, you know, maybe related.
And now the easiest part of paella cooking, just waiting until it's ready. Just look at those bubbles. This is side of a good paella. The smell is just absolutely delicious.
Really?
Missy.
6 hours.
Oh, life is amazing. Just look at her with this view on this chair.
Best bit of rabbit and the best bit.
Shushu, what? The paella is ready. Let's see. Let's see, what have you done? Well done, Shushu. Well done. Nice paella. You've done a good job. Is there space for paella? Space. Okay. I'm coming.
Wow!
So, you're wearing a diamond? The Mr. Mouse couldn't resist the smell and came for his portion of paella de marisco. Oh, isn't he cute? Mr. Mouse, where are you going? What are we doing that? That's weird.
I can't remember.
Active ingredients: bitters, tannins, essential oil, flavonoids to stimulate digestive juices and strengthen the pancreas. In homeopathy to treat sciatica.
Okay, it's been a very long day. Absolutely beautiful, amazing. We met our friends and cooked a huge paella and beautiful weather. It's a snake. Well, anyway, it was beautiful. Oh my god. Good night, everyone. Miss Shushu was so tired today. She couldn't sleep. She was so excited and running around. So now she's just playing dead. And we are sleeping in our little room. We live here every time we are visiting Maggie. Isn't it lovely? Oh my god, I'm getting attacked by a moth.